Chapter 2, page number 2. 1, 2.
1, 2. Cows moo.
3, 4. Lions roar.
5, 6. The clock ticks.
7, 8. It's getting late.
9, 10. Let's say it again.
Chapter 2, page number 2. 1, 2.
1, 2. Cows moo.
3, 4. Lions roar.
5, 6. The clock ticks.
7, 8. It's getting late.
9, 10. Let's say it again. To the teacher. Read the poem aloud and make the children repeat it after you.
Page number 3.
Let's try this. Listen and repeat.
1,
1 matchstick.
2,
2 matchsticks.
3,
3 matchsticks.
4,
4 matchsticks.
5,
5 matchsticks.
6,
6 matchsticks.
7,
7 matchsticks.
8,
8 matchsticks.
9,
9 matchsticks.
and 10.
10 matchsticks.
To the teacher. Open out your fingers according to the numbers you are saying and make the children do the same.
Play the clapping game with the children. 1, 2, clap twice. 1, 2, 3, clap thrice. 1, 2, clap twice. 1, 2, 3, clap thrice.